Hi, this is Mark with your Mx3 Crypto Report news update. First article looks like it's how Bitcoin mines were airlifted from China to the US. After China banned Bitcoin, an exodus of mining computers made their way all over the globe. China once dominated the Bitcoin mining market, the computing process by which new Bitcoin entered circulation. The country once accounted for more than 80% of the world's Bitcoin mining. But in the way authoritarian states can, Beijing decided to ban all foreign cryptocurrencies last year, in part to bolster its own centrally controlled digital yuan. As miners scrambled to move their valuable hardware out, they made bets on which countries were safest to install their machines. By a geographic proximity and the promise of cheap energy, some transferred their assets to Russia and Kazakhstan. Given Russia's invasion of Ukraine and Kazakhstan's own violent political unrest this January, many miners opted for higher transport fees and sent their equipment to the United States. For miners who must contend with the wild fluctuations in the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, a reliable and stable business environment is most welcome. In other news, crypto Codex, Coinbase CEO reveals surprise crypto prediction as the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Luna crash. Coinbase chief executive Brian Armstrong, one of the most influential voices in the world of crypto, predicted the crypto industry will likely not be regulated solely by the SEC, because not all digital assets should be considered securities. But Armstrong does think some cryptocurrencies, such as companies raising money with an initial coin offering, fall under the SEC jurisdiction, and repeated his regular call for more clarity. Last week, Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal blasted the SEC over its proposal to update its definition of an exchange, saying the SEC is going beyond its authority. The SEC proposal, published in January, would expand the definition of an exchange and has been largely criticized by the crypto community. Another big announcement, Fidelity Investments says it will offer crypto in retirement accounts this year. Well, Fidelity, the largest retirement plan provider in the United States, announced plans to offer Bitcoin in 401k retirement accounts to its account holders later this year. The company is set to allow investors to allocate up to 20% of their 401k accounts to Bitcoin, though employers will have the ability to lower that cap. The Boston-based asset manager, which administers plans covering more than 20 million participants, representing $2.7 trillion in assets, said the launch is expected to take place by mid-year. Debuting at Bitcoin supporter Mike Salor's firm, MicroStrategy, which holds billions of dollars of the asset on its balance sheet. While the offering will launch with Bitcoin as its only digital asset, Fidelity plans to offer other cryptocurrencies in the future. One news story that most people may not have heard of. Edward Snowden. That's right. Edward Snowden revealed as secret participant in the ceremony that launched a $2 billion private cryptocurrency. John Doberton, the anonymous member of the original group that carried out Zcash's trusted setup process, was revealed to be notorious NSA whistleblower Edward Snowden. confirmed by Snowden himself in a 9-minute video released by Zcash Media. Zcash is a privacy-preserving cryptocurrency that allows users to create end-to-end encrypted transactions that hides all information of the currency as the currency changes hands. To ensure safety, the founders enacted a multi-person trusted setup process, which became known as the ceremony, where instead of one person having the key, there would be 6. It included developers, one Bitcoin hacker, an information security consultant, and Snowden as Doberman. As long as one of the 6 destroyed their key, Zcash would be safe and launched successfully. In his final parting words, Snowden expresses excitement for the improvements made and the implications it has in moving forward to a more free and private currency. That was a big announcement. That's about all the announcements we have for the crypto community right now. So be sure to like and subscribe to make sure that you receive the relevant crypto information when you need it most.